Welcome back, Freedom Savers. Let's do the update for the completely random stock portfolio. How are my completely random stock picks working out for me? Well, I have to say they're working out better than any of my other portfolios at this point. Kind of amazing. So the current value of this account is $1,000.57, or sorry, $1,057.57 with zero in cash. I've not been paid any dividends or anything. So $1,057.57, I deposited $1,000 even, and it is currently up $57.57. Lots of 57s in here, which gives me a 5.76% gain. So I'm super impressed with this at this point. I'm not planning on depositing any more in this, at least not anytime soon. I funded it with $1,000 originally, and we're just going to see how it performs. I did earn 38 cents right off the bat when I started this portfolio, and we have not been paid any of that at this point. There's been no further buy activity, no sell activity. Dividend changes, no dividend changes. Yearly dividends, actually this is old because nothing's changed, so none of this actually applies. So there's been 0 investing days for this particular portfolio because we are not investing any further into it. Nothing has changed here. We are still producing $24.16 in income per year, or $2.01 per month, for a total return of 2.42%. And that's it. That's the random portfolio, guys. I mean, completely random stocks, picked completely random number of stocks for that matter, and it's outperforming all my others. So I don't know what to say about that. It is a very short time frame. We do not have a lot of data to work with. It could very well drop and I could lose the entire 1,000 for all I know. But we will see as time progresses. So that's all I got on the random stocks. Have a good one. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Be sure to hit that subscribe button down below, and if you liked the video, hit that like button for me. If you want to hear any specific type of information, anything that you're interested in, you have any questions, just drop me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Let me know your opinions on this video or any other video I've made. And if you know anyone else that might be interested in this video, please be sure to share it on your social media and share the knowledge. Thanks guys.